Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel known as Brother Nkoma J. With me, we have an equation here. We are told to find the value of y. So let us copy the equation the way it is. We have 2 over radical 2 times x raised to power y minus 2 times y raised to power x over radical 2. This is equals to 17 radical 2. In the first step here, multiply radical 2 throughout of the equation on the left hand side and the right hand side. So we have radical 2 times 2 x raised to power y over radical 2 minus radical 2 times 2 over radical 2 y raised to power x equals to 17 radical 2 times radical 2. We find that this radical 2 cancels with this radical 2. Again, this radical 2 cancels with this radical 2. Here we remain with 2x raised to power y minus 2y raised to power x. This is equals to, we know, applying the law of the exponents, root a times root a equals to a. So in our case here, we have root 2 times root 2. Obviously, the answer is 2 by using this law of exponents. So we have 17 times 2. Here we have 2, here we have 2. Factor out 2. So we have 2 in the bracket x raised to power y minus y raised to power x equals to 17 times 2. Okay. Divided by 2 both sides. We have 2 divided by 2 in the bracket x raised to power y minus y raised to power x in the bracket equals to 17 times 2 over 2. This 2 cancels this one. and this 2 cancel this 2. So and the left hand side will remain with x raised to power y minus y raised to power x equals to 17. So the next step here is to express the left hand sides as the difference of 2 square. How do we go about? What we can do here is to raise x raised to power y in the bracket. Again, raised to power 2 over 2 minus, the same applies to here, y raised to power x in the bracket raised to 2 over 2 equals to 17. This is the same as this one. This is the same as this one. We know 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. So we have not changed the meaning. So in our case here, we can do this way. Express this one, this term as x raised to 2 raised to y over 2 in the bracket raised to power 2. This 2 goes inside while this one remains outside. So it is as if we have y times 2 over 2. This is the same as to write y times 1 over 2 times 2. So this one can be written as y over 2 times 2. So this one is what you see here, and this 2 is what you see outside here. So the same as to write here y raised to x over 2 in the bracket raised to power 2 equals to 17. We have used the same concept that's like this one in this case here. Okay, from this we can proceed as follows. Let x raised to power y over 2 equals to a, and y raised to x over 2 equals to b. Okay, substitute a in this case because a equals to this one, and substitute b here because b equals to this one. So here we have a squared minus b squared equals to 17. This one is the difference of 2 squares. This is the difference of 2 squares. This one can be written as a squared minus b squared. This one can be factorized as a plus b in the bracket a minus b in the bracket. So this is the same as to write A plus B in the bracket, again A minus B in the bracket. Taking the positive factor of 17, 17 equals to 17 times 1 and 1 times 17. Bear it in mind, A plus B should be greater or equal to A minus B. Obvious, this one obeys this condition. So we will use 17 times 1 as the factors of positive factors of 17. So here we are going to write 17 times 1. So here is the matter of doing comparison. We have A plus B equals to 17. A minus B equals to 1. This is the first equation, and this is the second equation. Add equation 1 and 2. We get A times A plus A equals to 2A. Positive A plus minus A cancels. Here we have 17 plus 1 equals to 18. In order to get the value of A divided by 2 both sides, we have 2 divided by 2 to A divided by 2, 18 divided by 2. So we have these 2 cancels this one. 18 divided by 2, we get A equals to 9. Substitute the value of A, which is equal to 9, in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus B equals to 17, but A equals to 9. So we have 9 plus B equals to 17. So shift 9 to the right hand side, we have 17. Take away 9. So we get B equals to 8. But we are not told to find the value of A or the value of B. Recall somewhere here where we said x raised to y over 2 equals to A, and y raised to x over 2 equals to B. Let me write it here. We have x, it is x raised to y over 2 equals to A, and recall and y raised to x over 2 equals to B. From here, we can get the value of x and the value of y. Let's go. We have x raised to y over 2 equals to a. But a equals to 9. So substituting the value of a here, we have 9 and y raised to power x over 2 equals to b, but the value of b is 8. Okay, square both sides. We square both sides, we want to remove these 2. So we have x raised to y over 2 in the bracket raised to power 2 equals to 9 raised to power 2 and y raised to power x over 2 in the bracket power 2 equals to 8 power 2. This 2 cancels this one, so we'll remain with x raised to power y equals to 9 raised to power 2. This is 9 times 9, which is 81. And here, this 2 cancels with this one. So here, we remain with y raised to power x equals to 8 raised to power 2. This is equals to 8 times 8, which is 64. We have x raised to power y equals to 81. This is the same as to write 3 raised to power 4. And y raised to power x. This one equals to 64. 64, this is the same as to write 4 raised to power 3. We want 3 and 4 to appear here in the base and exponent. Again, we want 3 and 4 to appear here in base and exponent. Here, the base is 3, the exponent is 4. Here, the base is 4, the exponent 3. But here, as you can see, the exponent, the base is x, and the exponent is y. Here, the base is y, the exponent is x. We have 3, 4, 4, 3. We have x raised to power y. We have y raised to power x. Obvious. You can find that by doing comparison. Y equals to 4. The exponent here is y, which is equal to 4. The base here is x, which is equal to 3. But here, the base is 4. The base is y, which is equal to 4. The exponent is x, which is equal to this one, 3. So obvious. From this, we can conclude that x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. We have obtained this by doing comparison. When we compare the exponent and the base, here you get y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. The same applies to here. When you compare the exponent and the base, you find the exponents, x is equal to 3, and the bases, y is equal to 4. Therefore, x equals to 3, and y is equal to 4. This is our answer. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and the comments on the videos. Thank you for watching.